Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Google Gemini app, an AI-powered assistant developed by Google to provide conversational help, answer questions, and integrate with Google services. Gemini combines natural language understanding with access to real-time information, aiming to serve as a personalized and smart productivity tool across Android and iOS platforms. Gemini's core strengths include its integration with other Google products like Gmail, Docs, Maps, and Calendar, allowing users to manage tasks, retrieve emails, or even draft documents through simple prompts. It also supports image generation and code assistance for developers, with a streamlined mobile interface that's intuitive and fast. The voice and text input features make it versatile, catering to different user preferences for interaction. On the positive side, Gemini offers advanced reasoning capabilities and often provides more up-to-date responses compared to older assistants. It's also tied closely to Google Search and YouTube, enabling rich and dynamic answers. The app is frequently updated, with the Pro version offering even deeper AI functions. However, there are some drawbacks. The full capabilities are not yet available in all regions or languages, and users have reported occasional inaccuracies in long or complex prompts. Additionally, access to Gemini Pro features requires a Google One subscription, which might limit full usability for free users. Overall, the Google Gemini app is a promising and evolving AI assistant, especially for those deeply embedded in the Google ecosystem. It enhances productivity and offers intelligent assistance, but users should be aware of the current limitations and subscription model. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you don't understand something or have questions, please refer to the email address stated in the description.